All right, as promised, warming trend really kicking in across the region today. Most locations warming up a good 5 degrees from where we were yesterday. Here's a look at today's high temperatures. It was 62, I don't know what that was, 62 degrees today in Payson. It was 64 in Sedona, 57 up at the Grand Canyon. Still chilly up in Page, stubborn to warm up, 47 degrees out there, and still a little bit cool out in Little Colorado River Valley as well. Winslow only 50 degrees. I think tomorrow, for you out in those valley locations that are trapped in the colder air, that tomorrow with a little bit of wind, you will warm up a few degrees from today. All right, 55 in Flagstaff. That's 11 degrees above the average for this time of year. So, yeah, this is quite mild here for early December as we just continue with this very quiet and benign weather pattern for us here across the southwest United States. Not the case for the entire west. Here we are taking a look at the storm system that is now currently bringing California more much needed precipitation. And if you even go north of here, the storm system is hammering the Pacific Northwest. Sierra Nevada under a winter storm warning today with another foot of snow plus for them. And this cold front will continue to approach us. Notice the high clouds that will continue to filter into Arizona throughout the night tonight through the day tomorrow. We're going to have some periodic dense high cloud cover here right through the extended forecast as models are just showing high clouds rolling through, and that's about all the excitement for us here in the southwest. This storm system, as I mentioned, taking aim from northern California all the way into the Pacific Northwest. A trailing cold front. This starts to approach us tomorrow, and what that'll do will pick up the wind. I call it the breezy afternoon out there. Winds gusting up around 30 miles per hour. For some locations, temperatures will come down a couple degrees, like us in Flagstaff, but other locations that have had that cold trapped air in those valley and canyon locations, the wind will help mix that out and temperatures will actually go up a little. But this storm system not bringing us anything in the way of precipitation to Arizona. On Saturday, behind a very weak cold front, winds will turn northerly, a little bit chilly on Saturday with a cool northerly breeze. And then we go back into a warming trend right into mid next week. Taking a look at the 5-day precipitation, nothing for us in Arizona, but I just wanted to point out how much moisture, copious moisture, going into the Pacific Northwest. These are bullseyes of 12 plus inches of rain, and translate that to snow. That's a lot of footage going into the Cascades in the Pacific Northwest all the way down into Oregon and very far northern California. But for the next 5 days, for much of our region, not a lot shaking. About 1 week from today, I think things start to change for us, and it looks like we have a little bit of a snowstorm moving in right around the 11th or so, and hopefully next week when we're talking, we'll have a lot more exciting things to be looking over. 33 degrees outside right now, partly cloudy skies with those high clouds streaming in, and they'll continue to do so overnight. High clouds kind of keep us insulated pretty efficiently, so much more mild with our overnight temperature tonight at 22 degrees versus the last several nights being the coldest of this season. All right, 52 degrees tomorrow, a couple degrees of cooling, a breezy and partly cloudy day for us here in Flagstaff. Temperatures, like I promised, a few places warming up to 50 in Page, Tuba City, 58, 62 in Winslow, 64 once again going for that in Sedona. A breezy afternoon for the whole region. Breeze will continue into the overnight and into Saturday morning behind that cold front that cools us down. Kind of a chilly Saturday, I guess. And then we're back at some very mild weather here going